Here we have a 2004 Mini Cooper in a chilli red with the two-tone black roof and black mirror caps. If we just start with the offside front tyre, as you can see you've got quite a good amount. I'd say about 3 mil, no, about 4 mil I would say, of tread depth left. Looking at the alloy itself, as you can see, it's quite heavily curbed, so definitely need a refurb on this alloy. Looking down the offside of the vehicle, I've had a good look, couldn't see any signs of any dents or dings at all on the offside of the car. There's a few very light scratches here and there on the bodywork, as you can see, just dotted around the paintwork of the car. You've got one just here. Again, very light. Some of them will polish out with no problem, so there's no real worry there. Taking a look at the offside rear tyre, and again there's about a bit less on this tyre. I'd say about 2.5 mil of tread. Looking at the alloy, if we just focus in on there, as you can see it's got a bit of the paint's actually come off the alloy there. It's in a bit better condition than the front now. No real major curbs at all. Got a very minor one there, and that's about it. And moving around to the back of the vehicle, they've got a bit of a paint disfigurement there, and a little bit of a scuff there on the offside rear quarter. Looking around the rest of the vehicle, you've got a few light scratches, as you can see, on the boot lip. Other than that though, no cosmetic damage at all. All seems to be in good order. Moving on to the near side of the car. This tyre's got quite a lot of tread on. I'd say about 4 mil of tread depth. And looking at the alloy, again you've got some very minor curbs. Other than that, this wheel appears to be in a pretty good condition, I'd say. And taking a look down the near side of the vehicle, there is quite a good dent in the back here. As you can see, it's quite a heavy dent, to be honest. Looking at it from the side, you can see the extent of the damage there of the dent. So it's something to be wary of. As we move down the rest of the near side of the car, you've got a very small dink just near the petrol cap. It's quite hard to see in the light. There you go, just about to see it. And move down the rest of the vehicle, appears to be okay. Just a few light scratches here and there, as you can see, and on the mirror caps. Other than that though, appears to be okay. Looking at the near side front, again you can see you've got quite a bit of tread. I'd say a good 4 mil of tread depth. And looking at the alloy, same story really. Quite a good amount of curbs on the front of the alloys. All four wheels could definitely do with a bit of a refurb, and then they'd be spot on really. Moving around to the front of the car, you've got a bit of a scuff there on the plastics on the inside front quarter, as you can see. And again, here, took a little bit of the paint off. You can see it's just had a bit of a scuff there on the front. If we move on to the centre of the car now, bit of scratches on the chrome, but no plastic damage on the bottom at all. And you've got a few stone chips on the bonnet of the vehicle, as you can see. There you go, that is the outside of the car. Let's take a look inside the car now. As you can see, it comes with a black, sort of grey colour cloth interior. Got to be said, you can see there's a hole there on the driver's seat, and it's quite frayed on the cloth. Not the best condition, but it needs a good clean up, and it should come out okay. Taking a look in the back, and they're a bit stained, but to be honest, not that bad at all. No rips or tears that I can see in the back seats. And got the famous mini big dials there. As you can see, if we take a look in the car now and show you the mileage. As you can hear, no problem starting the vehicle at all. And there you go, 124,627 on the clock. It does come with a aftermarket CD player, as you can see. Everything functions as it should. Heating works. You got your windows. Everything functions well. Car is a manual, of course. Let's take a look at the documents now. Car is one owner from new, as you can see. Doesn't come with an MOT certificate, but we have got sorry, the MOT certificate isn't present, but we do have an online check here just to prove that the car has had MOT. You can see it's done a direct gov there. All the vehicle details. Expires at 1st of March 2013. So that's just some proof there. And the car does have full service history. Take a look there, the first one at 10,000, that was done at Mini. Got 22,000, 46,000, 64, 82,000, it's been serviced exactly when needed. 95,000, and the last one there, 111,000. So I think it is quite close to another service. There's one 124 at the moment. There we go, that is the Mini Cooper. And overall, not a bad car at all.